And here we have the Hunter Kids Girls Original Starcloud. And we've got pink and purple. And let's check these out. These are pretty cool rain boots. They have a reflective piece on the back on both sides. So if you're playing in the rain or a cloudy day, you'll get reflective on your feet. So the pink and the purple, they have a little strap right on the side that's kind of cute. That actually, let's see, you can adjust this a little bit. It may tighten up a little bit. This is the inside. And Hunter and created in Great Britain. So a nice rubbery boot. They'll definitely keep your feet nice and dry. Okay, you want to try on a pair and show them? This is a different style of Hunter, so we'll make that in a different review video. But why don't we put on, what do you like, the purple or the pink?
The purple.
The purple, okay. So you like actually both colors, but let's see. All right, let's spin around. Ooh, okay, good job. Okay, nice. Okay, so you've got a reflective patch on the back. And do you like them? Do you like the way they feel? Mm-hmm. All right, walk that way and then walk back. Okay, all right, come on back. There we go. Very cool. So that is for the Hunter rain boots. And there's purple, there's pink, there's also a black. And there might be other colors as well. So make sure you check those out. I'll link those up down below if you want to check out a pair and maybe give a pair for this holiday season. But this is for the Hunter rain boot.